Hello, Ruben.
Hello. Sorry for being late.
No worries. Okay, welcome to the TOC meeting for Tuesday, July 9th. First, we review action items from last week. Beyhan had an action item to look into inactive automation to mention the inactive users that have roles. He did this,
Yep.
And we're going to look at the PR today. So we don't have any upgrade or update. So I'm going to go straight to our little board. I love this board. It makes running this meeting so much easier. The first PR is about archiving Windows Utilities tests repo. It's been merged with another repo, so this archives it and removes it from the foundational infrastructure group. Ruben, you're the tech lead you approved from the working group, and
Yes.
looks like I'm the one lagging behind not approving things.
And Beyhan.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's not yet here.
Okay, I'm gonna rebase and merge. Done. Next. This was Beyhan's action item. Extend inactive user automation to warn about inactive working group users. I liked that it said what working group they're into. That helps. I know, Stephan, you had a comment.
Yeah, there's a slight formatting issue, but that can be handled separately.
Okay, but it still runs or everything. It's just.
Yeah. It's
Okay.
just formatting black update. Yeah.
Then I will be the last reviewer, approver. Next, we have our inactive users to be deleted. This was open July 1st, and we wait 2 weeks for these? Yes. So not this week. We'll leave it on another week, but I don't think anyone has said anything. So no follow-ups. Draft RFC for establishing CFF as a CVE numbering authority. Any updates there? Still blocked?
We had a call, Paul and I did, with the CV numbering authority, or with the powers that be there. There's some internal conversations happening at Broadcom. As of right now, they still are the CVE numbering authority for CloudFoundry. So someone at Broadcom needs to contact the authority and say, we are rescinding that. We are letting that open, and the CloudFoundry Foundation can take that over. So that's where it is right now. But there is progress on this.
Okay. Do you need Ruben or I to do anything, or do you have a different contact in Broadcom?
I haven't. That was up to Paul last time. I haven't followed up with him since then. That was just 2 weeks ago, and last week being a short week, I haven't followed up. But
okay, I'll assume Paul's doing something.
I am assuming Paul's on that, but I'll reach out if we need some help.
Okay, thank you. RFC status. Is there any RFC that anyone wants to review? If not, I'm gonna go. Oh, maybe.
No, for cloud native build packs, I think in copy the stuff is merged. If I remember, we discussed that there are some things in Diego still open under review. So as soon as it's in, we can play around, which is fun.
Noted, I'm aware. Okay, the thing I had for any other business was, I know that the CFP for CF Day is coming up very soon, the next week or so. And I was wondering if we wanted to do another TOC event at it, or panel or something of the sort.
CFP closes on the 14th, so that is coming right up.
Yep. Stephan, you'll be there, I assume?
I'll be there. I would leave that to Beyhan, who is more the
Ruben, we assume we'll
Minister
be there?
of Foreign Affairs for. But I will. I intend to file and talk about ARI update, workgroup update. So there will be one more talk.
Okay.
Yeah, I
Hello
can
there.
do an update if you
Ah.
want to have one. Hi. Or you can have a discussion panel again. I think it was also good if there are enough people there from the TUC.
Yeah, we'll see. Okay, as long as Beyhan will let you make that executive decision that the TOC is doing something. I'm gonna try to make it. We'll see. Budget gets decided a lot later. I submitted my CFP for a working group update. Chris won't talk no matter what. Even if he is there.
Hey. I wouldn't even attempt to file a ask to go on a plane to Europe for a one-day conference. Yeah.
There was more paperwork involved in that than getting hired, believe it or not.
Okay, well, everyone get your CFPs in. It's coming up. Is there anything else that we want to discuss today?
Does it make sense to maybe do another one of those polls for vacation time? I don't know if we will have quorum the coming months.
Yes,
for
I
the
have
meeting.
vacation. Yeah, I can start one. Good idea. Okay,
And apologies on late cancellation last week. We had something blow up for us on the platform. So me and Mr. Weibel got pulled away. But I do have one question on the app runtime update. If somebody can give a little more information. What specifically is around the bullet point of automated certificate regeneration for Concourse? I was just curious about that one.
That has we had in the past. First of all, it affects only validation pipelines, nothing
Okay.
more. So CF deployment has pretty big validation pipelines to check whenever a new Bosch release kicks in. And every now and then, exactly every year, those certificates of these some long-living Bosch environments, and they expire, and then you have a lot of stuff to do. And the idea was to start to certificates automatically. It started with the load balancer certificates. I think that's implemented, and the next thing is for long-living environments that also the internal.
Okay, so it's basically automating the standard CRED Hub.
Exactly. Yeah.
Repave 3-step with the transitional CA. Okay. All right. That's cool. That's it. I was just curious about that one point. Thanks.
great. Anything else? Other Chris?
I think he was hoping for magic. You meant other Chris, never mind.
Oh.
Nope.
We are almost at 50% Chris's here. Okay, it's great seeing you all. I'll start a vacation poll in Slack. Bye.
Okay,
Bye, folks.
Bye bye.